Namaste. In this video, we are going to find dy upon dx if given x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So d upon dx, here x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to d upon dx 1. Okay. So when we differentiate each term, d upon dx, x square upon a square, okay, and here d upon dx, y square upon b square, and when we differentiate this 1, we get 0. When we differentiate this x square upon a square, so a square is constant, we can write 1 upon a square, but when we differentiate x square, we get 2x. So we get 2x upon a square. Okay. Here, when we differentiate with respect to x, we get 2y upon b square dy upon dx is equal to 0. 2y upon b square dy upon dx, and this term transfer right side, here adding, so other side subtracting. So minus 2x upon a square. Now dy upon dx, and here minus 2x upon a square. Okay, this is a. Here multiply 2y upon b square. So this side divide. It means when we multiply, b square goes on top in the numerator, and this is 2y. Okay. So here 2 cancel. Dy upon dx is equal to minus b square x, okay, and this is a square y, and 2 and 2 cancel, and this is our final answer. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.